There it is, the Fossil Gen 6. And if you're looking for a smartwatch that is compatible with all devices, get any notifications, Spotify without your phone, and so much more, then get ready for some tips, tricks, and hidden features on that bad boy. Hey, my name is Leonard, you're watching the product reviewer, and that's me. So the first pretty cool feature on the Fossil Gen 6 are the gesture controls. Now if we swipe down and go to the settings, scroll down just a little bit more until we find gestures. Now over here we have tilt awake and touch to wake features, of which I definitely prefer the tilt awake one, but that's not what we're here for. We're here for the navigations. Now we can toggle on wrist gestures over here, which allows us to have two more different gestures. And the first one is that if we flick our wrist away from us, we can scroll down, and that works on our messages, but also on our app. And it does not have to be a hard flick. It's enough if you gently flick your wrist. And that also works the other way around, of course. Now we also have a second gesture, which is that if we flick the wrist towards us, it scrolls up. That doesn't work as good, but it still works. And the very last one that I didn't tell you about is that if we shake our wrist just a little bit, we get back to the home screen. Pretty cool, right? I love the Google Voice Assistant since you can do so many different things with that one. You can either scroll left and press the mic to activate it, press the middle button for a second, or just say Hi Google. But be sure to toggle on the OK Google detection first, otherwise that won't work. With the Google Voice Assistant, you can not only search for stuff on the internet, but you can also set a timer, start a workout, call your friends, do some simple math like what is 16% of 1786? Easy stuff, right? So let me show you some examples right quick. Set timer 10 minutes. What is 7.5% of 1786?
The answer is 133.95.
You get the whole list what you can do with your voice assistant in the Wear OS app. If you go to the settings, over here we can even change the sound of the voice assistant from a female to a male voice.
Das hier sind die Stimmen, die du für Google Assistant auswählen kannst.
Wenn dir diese Stimme gefällt und du möchtest, dass ich sie weiterhin verwende,
activate the voice match, and many more cool features. Just go and check them out if you have a spare few minutes. Usually with most smartwatches, when you want to control your music from your watch, you always have to have your smartphone connected to it at all times. But with the Fossil Gen 6, you can just leave that one at home since you can download all of your favorite playlists, tracks, and podcasts right to your watch. So what you need to do over here on Spotify on your watch, select the track or list you want to download and then scroll down just a little bit, and right over here you can toggle on download to watch, and straight away it will start downloading the whole playlist. And just like that, you will never need your smartphone again. If you want to listen to some music while you're running, you just have to pop in your earbuds or put on your headphones and you're ready to go, and you can listen to your favorite tracks. You can also just use the speaker, and I guess that's pretty cool in my opinion. Just keep in mind that you need a Spotify premium account to do so, otherwise that won't work. Now before we continue, smash the like button if these tricks are helpful. Also subscribe to my channel. Less than 1% of all of my viewers are actually subscribed to my channel, so let's change that. Also click the notification bell to never miss out on any new content, and with that being said, let's get back to the video. The Gen 6 has 3 different battery modes to save some battery. Daily one that turns on most of your features, but therefore you have to charge the watch daily. Over here you can also do a little bit of customization, like turn on or off the always on screen mode to save some extra battery life. The extended mode only turns on the essential features when you need them, and therefore you only have to charge the watch every few days. And the third mode is the time only mode, which really turns off all of the fun features of your smartwatch and you can only see the time. Now, one new thing that the Gen 6 brings to the table is that you can automatically change to the extended mode, or you can tell the watch that it should switch to the extended mode when you drop below 10%, which is pretty cool in my eyes. We can find the next awesome feature in the accessibility bracket. When we turn on the magnification gestures, we can zoom in to read the letters just a little bit better. Just triple tap to zoom in, and if you want to zoom out, just triple tap again. Over here we can also adjust the voice speed of your Google Voice Assistant or end calls by pressing the middle button on the side. All of these features are great features if you're having problems on reading the small letters on your watch, or if the voice assistant talks a little bit too fast and you want it to slow down. The Fossil Gen 6 is perfect for receiving all of your notifications. So you can just about receive any notifications that you can think of, and the great thing about it is that you can actually respond to all of them right from your watch. Now if we head back to the watch and tap on any message, we get a few different options to reply. We can either use one of the quick response answers, write our own text, and if you click the little mic icon, you can just speak to your watch and it will automatically dictate your message and you can click send. Now off to some quick tips. So what else can we do with the Fossil Gen 6 smartwatch? One small but pretty cool feature is that we can take screenshots of our current watch face. Just head to the Wear OS app, click the three little buttons on the top right corner and press take a screenshot of watch. Then select any app to open up the screenshot and there you have it. Pretty cool, right? Now with the Fossil Gen 6 you also have some customizable watch faces. Just give the screen a 2-second press and you get to your watch faces. Now just press the little settings icon on the bottom and you can start customizing. Depending on what watch face you are on, you have different options to customize. On some you can change the font of the number, on some other you can change the display metrics like the battery life or the heart rate. As for last, you have NFC for contactless payment and you have 2 physical buttons on your watch which you can customize and connect into any of the apps for fast access. Now just swipe down, go to your settings once again and scroll down until you find your personalization. Over here just find customize hardware buttons, and if we tap either one of the top right or the bottom right button, we can select any app of your smartwatch to connect to this button. And folks, that's it for the video. Now if you want to know some tips, tricks and features for the Galaxy Watch 4 or the Huawei Watch 3, just click one of these videos. And with that being said, see you the next time. Peace.